This is a 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Louis on Automotive for letting us use the car today. They have a full service auto repair shop in Toronto, Canada, and they also have a YouTube channel. Check them out for engaging automotive content and car buying advice. Check the link in description. Now let's go ahead and first open up the lift gate. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver for this job. One that looks like this, a thicker Phillips head screwdriver. This one says PH2 number 2 on it. So get a Phillips head screwdriver like this because first we need to get the light out, and the light is held in place by 4 screws over there which have a Phillips head on it. Now get the screwdriver and push it down and then twist it left. Push it down and then twist it left so that way you don't end up stripping the screw when you're taking it off, right? So take all the 4 screws out, keep them somewhere safe. Now pull the light out at an angle, like not straight back first, just first pull it out at an angle like that. Not straight back, okay? Pull it out at an angle. Once it's kind of loose, now you can sort of just pull it back straight, like towards the rear of the car. That's it. Pull it back and it'll come right out. And that's it. Now I'm going to show you a different angle of the same process. There are 3 alignment pins over there. That's what keeps it from just falling off. Once the light is off, there's one electrical connector, that one over there. Press it down and pull it out. That's the only thing that holds the light now. Now we have the entire light out. That's the turn signal bulb, that's the reverse light bulb. The bulb holder for the reverse light bulb is right there behind it, the white one. First let's get that black wire out of there. Just get it out. Yep, now we can easily get the bulb holder out. So grab the bulb holder, twist it left like 1/8 of a turn. That's it, it's loose now. It should come out. That's the bulb. In order to get the bulb off, simply grab it and pull it off. You may have to wiggle it, but it will come off easily. Now let's take a closer look at the bulb. It's a simple single filament bulb. It says it right there on it, 921. Again, that's the size of the bulb, 921. That's what you need. So get a new 921 size bulb, align it over there and push it in the bulb holder. Now when you're putting the bulb holder back in the light, there's one tab on it. You see that slightly bigger one? Yep, that's the one. That needs to align with the slightly bigger slot in the light there. So that way, when you put the bulb holder back in, it just sort of drops in. See, and if it's aligned, it'll drop in. Otherwise, you'll have to spend a few seconds trying to wiggle it. Yeah, see that? It just goes in. And once it drops in like that, you can just twist your right and lock it. See, that's it. Okay, let's do it again. It's loose, in, twist your right, and it's locked. First, put the electrical connector back on. It just goes on one way. Click it. We'll have to spend a few seconds to make sure it's aligned. There's 3 black pins. They need to align with the 3 white guides. Align it over there. Push it in. Once it's aligned like that, now push it. Give it more of a push. Okay, that's it. The light is now in place. Let's put those 4 screws on. Just put them on. Don't tighten them down completely. Just put them on. Make sure it's all aligned. Then do the final tightening. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, you're done. See how easy it was? Hope you found the video useful.